Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Kum shibanta jong kajing le ekmen ye kajing dap khandai pu ways nem Indian Air Force nakaliang ka office jong ka headquarters Eastern Air Command mentakasngi ka arpho tri ko risau arajar arpulai kalapan long de kajing pen inam ye ki leng sun jong ka hajrong ka wa umyam halor ka thong pan ai men sim ye ki khana samla jong ka nongba badru jong ka than chetela mi ngi pan rum ban penyeso sha ka kam jong ki sipai Indian Armed Force hagani ka sngi nakaliang katrat rekam jong ki Indian Air Force kalapan heru iki lengsun jong ka ki bakintop ya ka advanced light helicopter Dornier Rafale bat ka Su-30 ki bala her renti ka bala pen internet iki pai ba ki bawan pai ka Shisho kawai ni ki lengsun ba ya kabala tip kum ka chinup helicopter kala her hajrong kawa yam kabala penyap be bat pen internet iki pat ba ling ba ki jing shampang bat ka jingnang ban pen her jong ki sipai kani ka tenat Habaya keren bat gilat pathai Kubor nakaliang ka flight lieutenant Pallavi kala batai halor ka jingdon kam jong ni ka program da ka baong baka long ka thong bat ka jing ang nod ban pensungo tho pat ba halor ka bor jong ka tenat ki sipai sun kari badru ban pen slor ye ki samla shinrang bat kenthei banya don benta ha ka ban ai ka jing shakri ye kari lingba ka Indian Air Force
motivating Shillong Northeast to come and join Indian Armed Forces, Defence Forces. That is our basic aim. That's why we and to also make public aware about the might of the Indian Air Force. So that it was all about.
The formations, we started with the air show. The first formation was 3 Su-30s in the big formation, followed by the 3 ALH Mark III helicopters, which are indigenously built by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, showcasing another Hindustan Aeronautics Limited aircraft, which is indigenous aircraft, that is the Dornier aircraft, and followed by we had the Chinook, the only heavy lift aircraft that is available, helicopter available with the Indian Air Force, and the Rafales, and then we handed over to the Sarangs for their display.
Which is the Sarangs are the also they fly ALH, and which is also our indigenously built aircraft. And you all will be proud to know that our team, this Sarang helicopter display team, is the only 5 helicopter military display team in this entire world. Sarang formation was led by our commanding officer, Group Captain Santosh Kumar Mishra. With him flying was squadron leader Akash. He's the youngest pilot of our team. In number 2, it was our flight commander, Wing Commander Sridhar. With him flying was Wing Commander Janpriya. Number 3 was being flown by Wing Commander Chandan Patnaik. With him flying was Squadron Leader Avinash. Number 4 was being flown by Squadron Leader Karan Prabhakar. With him flying was Wing Commander Thakur Vikas Raj Singh. So these are all the pilots which I stated who were flying in the cockpit in all these four aircrafts. Yeah.
Madam, one more thing, madam. This we were expecting this Rafale to fly some more duration of time, but it just vanished within some.
The Rafales flew in the Vic formation. There were 3 aircrafts, 3 Rafales, and they were supposed to fly in the Vic formation. So that's what they carried out today. As per the plan.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Shusho na kalyang UM Marshal Sujit Pushpakar Dharkar uloong bagajing peninam ya kileng sun mentakas ngi kanong ba shlong kalong ban peni kajing shakri bat kajing shampang ka baki sipai sun jong kari ki don ban peni shikipat ba wat hapedeng ki jing ki babon na kajing long jing man jong ki jaka bat ka sun beneng la sakhi ba kajing penlong ye ka program kalong ka ba renti ka ba penyap be bat peni tenat ru ki nong pej ki bawan mentakas ngi.
So what did you enjoy most?
So the Sarang show.
The Sarang show. All right, great. We did this show so that even people at Shillong can enjoy similar shows like they did at Guwahati just 5 days ago. And we were worried about weather, and like you saw in the morning where it was there was fog and then it was clouding, but then cleared up. And I hope that you and the crowds had actually enough thrills for at least for the day, if not for more. Okay? How was that otherwise?
So are there plans to host shows like this more frequently?
Frequently is a little difficult because the team comes here from way far down south in Sulur. Sulur is close to Coimbatore. And it takes time to get them across, and they do shows all across the country depending upon what is the kind of event and in various locations. So no, this was part of their calendar, and so we got them here. But we'll now be working out on the calendar for the next year, and let's see. But maybe now that we've done one in Shillong, maybe we'll do it at a second location somewhere else in proximity, possibly. But yes, we of course will do some. See, you can see the hills around you. There are 3 challenges actually. One, of course, is the weather, which you saw, and it tends to be temperamental. The name of the state is Meghalaya, so Megh to hote hi hai. Right. But alongside with that, the elevation also makes it a little difficult on the performance of these aircraft. So they have to modify their profile suitably, and then they have to operate in a somewhat tight zone. So that adds to the changes that they have to make to their profiles too. But you saw them. It didn't look like they had any challenges, did they? They enjoyed it also.
So the Rafale has come for the first time, is it?
No, we had the Rafale at the Guwahati show also. But the Rafale has done flypasts earlier also. But yes, over Shillong, possibly the first time. We hope so. We find that Meghalaya has a lot of youth who are very interested in the services, and the Air Force especially. We see them when they come to our museum and the like, and I hope that shows like this will motivate them even further to come across and join. Yes.